Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yacht service, and today we're gonna have a little fun project here. We have a trailer 5x10 that is the trailer that I started the business with pretty much. So it's been a while since been hanging around, and especially this last season the floor has been becoming kind of like dangerous to operate with, like the wood flooring of the trailer. So it's been kind of like holy, like H-O-L-E, not W-H-O-L-E, like holy, like lots of holes, like from rot. And so this winter is the project to exchange or put new flooring onto the trailer and maybe sparkle up some rusted metal as well. But so today is pretty much just kind of like pull it from the outside into the garage, so we have some sheltered space while we have winter snowstorms going on, so we can work on it peacefully and in somewhat warm condition. So I'm going to show you the trailer right now, how the floor looks, and so you can see for yourself why we need to do this. So this is it, our 5x10 utility trailer, not a dump trailer, just a regular, it actually used to be like just kind of like this metal frame there, and we extended the sides. Those are not the concern. So you can see here, we patched this up already. There you can see, I'm gonna zoom it in. See that? That's a hole. You can look right through. See that? That's the snow on the actual grass area. So you can see that there, and especially there. See that? And also along this area here, kind of like really bad. And also, of course, where the wall boarding meets the floor, that's where the moisture gets trapped. But that area there is really bad. So yeah, so you can see we need to do stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. We pull it into the garage, because as you can see, there's snow already. So I somewhat managed to keep this snow free somewhat. There's a little bit. Before we get any more snow or nasty stuff, we're gonna put it into shelter, and that's what we're gonna do today. Alright guys, we missed it, but trailer is light enough to pull it over by hand. I'm going to put you on the other side here. See that? Easy peasy. Alright guys, now we got this done. Now we're gonna pull it into the garage. Oh yeah. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, I need to push it back, let's say like another foot, but why I unhooked it already, because this is somewhat delicate fit here, so I'm gonna do that by hand. And as you saw, as have you seen, yeah, so anyways, yeah, so what I wanted to say, as you've seen it, it's easy to push it back by hand, which I'm going to do right now. So this is another reason why I want to keep your workspaces decluttered. So somewhat tight fit there too, along the shelving, and that's my compressor back there. Anyways, it's not too bad. And here is the new wood flooring, treated lumber there, waiting already. So we're gonna push it back, and then we are good for this part here. See that? I'm gonna strap you in there. Like so. That's probably all we need, because all we need is to basically clear the garage door, and yeah, I think we're good. This is perfect fit. This is perfect fit, guys. As you can see, that's the tongue, and those are the tracks of the garage door, and they will just clear by about, I would say, like about 6 inches or so, whatever, like good enough to have this parked in here. Yeah, in need of some repair for sure. All right, guys, just a little short video here on a not too bad, not too cold late November day. Actually, the last day of November it is as of this recording. So I'm gonna leave it at that, because the trailer, the floor, is gonna be a project for the weeks to come. No need to rush it, because we don't need to haul anything out of the ordinary. So no snow hauling with that trailer, and no equipment hauling either in the winter month. So I may want to do it sooner or later to be ready for some log hauling or wood hauling for firewood that may come up on the marketplace. So that's the only thing that we may gonna haul with the trailer until spring. So anyways, thanks for joining in. Like and subscribe as usual. And I will keep you posted on the wood flooring restoration project. Over and out. Rudy here with your yard service, with a somewhat casual work appearance, casual dress code, that is. Anyways, thanks for watching. Cheers, over and out. See you later.